How to dispute a transaction on Wells Fargo. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you want to dispute transaction on Wells Fargo, there are different ways on how you can do that. There's online and offline way, so whichever is convenient for you, you can do that. The offline way is to call the toll-free number of Wells Fargo. For that, you can open up a new tab and search for the customer care number. You can also search for how to dispute a transaction on Wells Fargo, and you're going to find the toll-free number right here. So this is the customer care number, so simply dial this number and then you can dispute the transaction. Or if you want to do this online, you can go to wellsfargo.com, then simply log into your account. After you have signed into your Wells Fargo account, you want to go to Account Services, which is in More menu. Then from there, you can access the Dispute a Transaction. If you do not find the online method reliable, then you can simply visit in person to dispute the transaction as well. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.